howdy ho, good neighbor. As you can see, you have a choice to be safe from this and get fogged up, or let your nose out. And while no one's looking, put your mask off. But anyway, here's what I want to show you today. My new hard hat. It's got a GoPro assembly right on it. I found this at a undisclosed location, so it's got my new sticker from the East Coast. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm going to show you. It's called Big Saw Cutting, concrete saw cutting. Let's go take a gander, shall we? Okay, here goes the saw. That's a diamond bladed saw. It's got diamonds in it. Everything must go really slow. I will stay out of his light. He does not want my shadow there. But anyway, there you go. At this undisclosed location, they need to chop off 3 feet of curb. I don't know whose fault that was, but he's taking it out very slowly. That guy's vacuuming up all the remnants. Whoa. He went a little fast on that. He's taking little bites at a time. Very easy. Oh boy. He backed out of that one. Cut. Okay, I got the GoPro hooked up onto my hard hat. Let's see how it looks here. I can tilt it down a little bit more. Okay, you're on my head. So the big saw is getting packed up back to its belongings. That's how it gets packed up, with muscle and muscle. And this guy is now jackhammering where the saw just cut. So that's how much that curb was off, by about 3 feet. So he cuts it, and those guys jack it up. All right, let's get to work ourselves. Okay, there you go. Just a little bit of concrete cutting at this undisclosed location. As always, thanks again for coming along with me on these little adventures. You know the drill. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.